Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get daily update on my gold analysis. Let us look at the economic calendar plan for today. Today is Thursday, April 21st. At 6 p.m. we have medium impacting news on US dollar coming up, and 6:30 p.m. we have low impacting news on British pound, euro and USD related currency pairs. Then at 8 p.m. we have again low impacting news for US dollar, and 8:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news. Then at 10 p.m. we have high impacting news coming up on British pound. Again 10:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news coming up on euro currency pairs, and at the same time we have high impacting news coming up on US dollar. So today there are lots of high impacting and medium impacting news on major currency pairs. So we'll see lot of volatilities in gold and other currency pairs. So plan your trades according to this economic calendar schedules. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action from the daily time frame, as explained yesterday also, the gold is still in a very nice bullish trend. We can notice that the price action has tested this trend line or support line, and it has bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. And when we draw the trend line also, from here I am drawing the trend line or the resistance line, and currently the resistance line is acting as a support line for the current price action. So from this trend line also we can clearly understand that the current price action is in a very strong bullish trend. And when we look at the retracement levels and the support and resistance levels, I am using the Fibonacci tool to find out the retracement level. So the price action retraced up to the 50 to 61.80 level. Then the bullish trend reversal started in gold on the daily time frame. So this level is a valid support level for the current price action in daily time frame. Whenever the price action wants to trend back on the bearish trend reversal, it has to break this 50% support level, which is going to be around 1922, in order to fall further on the bearish trend reversal. So when we mark these support levels and the resistance levels, so these are all going to be the resistance levels, and this is going to be the support level or resistance level for the current price action. So within this resistance and support level, when we look at the price action, previously the price action found resistance at this level of 1964, then retracement happened, then the bullish trend reversal started, again it found resistance around the level of 1953, then the retracement happened and took support at the support level of 1915. Again it started on a bullish trend reversal and took resistance around the level of 2000, then the retracement has taken place. So when we look at the overall price action in daily time frame, it is in a very nice bullish trend with very nice impulsive move and correction move. So if the price action doesn't break the previous low of 1917, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in daily time frame. In order to get the confirmation on the bullish trend reversal, it has to break the resistance level of 2003. Otherwise we can expect the price action to trade on a sideways, but as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or support line, it is still in a very strong bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, the current price action is trading between the resistance level of 1963 and support level of 1940. But looking at the past price action, this level had acted as a very strong support level. So once the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall and to test the support level of 1916. And overall price action in hourly time frame also, it is in a very nice bearish trend reversal. Currently the price action has taken resistance from this trend line and price got rejected from this level, and it is in a trend reversal. Or if you want to take a bullish side trade, wait for it to break this trend line or the resistance level of 1963 in order to take a bullish side trade. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values in red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, again I have drawn a trend line or support line. We can clearly notice that currently the price action is taking support on this trend line. Wait for the price action to break this trend line, then you can go on a bearish side trades. Currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is in a range bound market, trading between this resistance level of 1963 and support level of 1940. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between this resistance level of 1957 and support level of 1952. Wait for it to break the previous low of 1951 in order to take trades on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. Here in 5 minutes time frame we have the 30 minutes time frames trend line or support line, and we have the hourly time frame resistance line over here. And currently we can clearly notice that the price action has broken this trend line or support line from the 30 minutes time frame. Wait for the price action to break the previous low of 1951, which will be the confirmation on the bearish trend reversal. Then you can take trades on the bearish side. Sometime we can expect the price action to trend up to this level, then to bounce back on the bullish side also. So we have to get a confirmation in order to confidently go on a trending side trade. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels. Currently the price action is taking support on the support level of 1951. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.